In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to your Squarespace website. Whether you're setting up an online shop or simply want to make transactions more straightforward for your customers, linking PayPal to your Squarespace can be an essential step. The process is relatively smooth, but there are a few things to keep in mind, especially regarding account status. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. This is where you'll find the essential tools and settings you need for customizing your site and managing your business operations. Please ensure you are logged into your Squarespace account with the appropriate permissions to modify payment settings. Once you're on the homepage, you want to locate the search bar. The search feature is incredibly handy for quickly finding various settings across your dashboard, so it's a good idea to get accustomed to using it effectively. Next, type the word payments into the search bar. You should see a list of options related to payment settings for your site. This search query will direct you to the right part of the Squarespace interface, saving you the trouble of navigating manually through different menus. You'll then want to click on the Payments option that appears. This is the section where you can manage different payment methods available on your website, including PayPal, credit card processing, and any other integrations that you have set up. Once you're in the Payments section, locate the PayPal option. You will see an option to Connect under the PayPal header. It's important to note here that if your Squarespace account is still in the trial period, you won't be able to connect PayPal until your account is upgraded to a paid plan. Squarespace requires this to ensure that your site is committed to handling actual transactions. So plan accordingly if you're just getting started with Squarespace. After clicking Connect, you're going to be directed to follow some straightforward instructions to link your PayPal account. Typically, this includes logging into your PayPal account and authorizing Squarespace to process transactions on your behalf. Just follow the prompts carefully and be sure to review any terms presented during the process to ensure you understand the rights and permissions you're granting. Once connected, your Squarespace site will be set up to accept payments via PayPal, thus providing users with a secure and convenient method to complete transactions. Ensure you test a transaction to verify that everything is functioning smoothly, and make adjustments as needed based on your business requirements or customer feedback. By following these steps, your customers will enjoy a seamless checkout experience, allowing your business to thrive online. Thank you for joining, and happy selling.